I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I cannot get my ninth graders to settle after break time. They keep talking and laughing loudly. Ideas? First of all, I keep wondering why they need to have this break time. Seems to be like a blanket thing that we do now. Frequent breaks. Break time. We need a break. Really, what we're going to ask these kids to do is to reset themselves. If we are going to have a break time in the middle where they get breakfast and whatnot, because I see this in a lot of our high schools, that's all fine and good. It just means that every ninth grade teacher has to have some way of transitioning kids back from break time. So we're going to say to them, guys, break is over. Language such as, let's make sure that everything that you ate is digested, get a drink, sit down. Let's take 30 seconds of putting ourselves back together, kind of a mindful practice, if you will. But if every ninth grade teacher does this, then we're going to have a population of ninth graders that eventually knows how to pull themselves together after break. They're just coming off break, like spiraling and, eating their Pop-Tart or whatever and getting their drink of milk or juice. And they're like, oh, they're coming back to class all over the place. I totally get it because I see it. Let's sit down. Let's have a little discussion and decide what we're all going to say and do after break every single day to pull these ninth graders back together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.